Hi Jennifer, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Just wanted to send you a video of this 2018 Sienna LE model we talked about earlier on the phone. As you can see, it's a silver one and it's going to have light gray interior. About 36,000 miles. We are going to certify it. It hasn't been through our shop yet, but it's going to pass with no problems. We don't anticipate any issues. There's the back end. Very clean. I'm real sensitive to certain odors and stuff, and it definitely has never been smoked in. Clean, no rips in the interior. Does have some of the safety features, including the lane keep assist, which helps you stay in your lane, and radar cruise control, which helps you keep a distance from you in the car in front of you when you have cruise control on. It should go through the shop today and be ready for the weekend if you want to set up a time tomorrow to come in and look at it. And the price is $23,981. So that's a really good deal for a Toyota certified vehicle, and I can explain what that is more if you're not familiar with it. Again, it's Ken at Doxon Toyota. My direct line is 253-394-0046. Let me know if you have any questions or want to set up a time to come and see it. Thanks again. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.